Alright, so now we are going to install the motherboard, but before we do, we have this IO plate that we have to install in the case first. So let's do that. Alright, so we have it. Let me just make sure. Where's the flashlight? Oh yeah, it's in. It's in. Okay. Alright, so let's get the motherboard, discharge the electric, static. Alright. Okay. Alright, we have to align these holes with these standouts. Okay, we got it. Didn't get it here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we have to do the middle one first. Alright, let me get the screws. Okay, I got all the screws. So, do the middle one first. Alright, so I put all the screws in there, and I also tied up all the wires, did the wire management as it's shown here. In the back I put all the wires here, and basically I have this these wires to connect. I already connected the front panel connection here, and the only 3 connection left is one is USB, and the other is USB 3.1. This is USB 2, and this is HD audio connection to the motherboard. So let me put this on. I had this light that I put on the head, so lights up. Okay. All right, so now what we have to do is connect these, and I will further tie up these wires. So let's see, this one, that one is not okay, so that's how it's gonna go. All right. Okay. Thin. All right. Now, let me move this and come on, come on, come on. Okay. This one is gonna go right here. Okay. This USB 3.1. Okay, and this is the audio connection, which is gonna go into this port right here. Okay, so basically this pin is not connected, so that's how it's gonna go. Okay, so all these are connected. Now let me, on the other side, I'm gonna do a little bit more of the wire management. So far I've been successful in keeping this area clear of these fans. All right, so I'm going to tie up some more wires, and the next thing I'm going to do is install power supply unit.